Let's see, what do I want? I think I'll take a big old slice of the refrigerator show. Hi, this is me with the show inside of a refrigerator. Now, today we will have a very special guest coming and singing a song by SpongeBob himself. The best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time. The special guest may be me, but it may not be me. It may be me with a mop on my head, but it probably won't because I don't wear mops on my head. I'm going to go get the guests. Hi, I'm Fantasca singing a song called The Best Time to Wear a Striped Sweater is All the Time. Yeah? Okay. The best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time. The best time to wear a striped sweater is all of the time. Hey! So yeah. I'm awesome. Yeah. Woo! Yeah! A round of applause for Francesca. Yeah! Woo! Speaking of time, we're all out of it. See you later on The Refrigerator Show.